So yun mga tol, welcome back na naman sa ating another video dito sa GTA Zamp. So nakikita nyo naman sa ating thumbnail mga tol ay may i-release na naman tayong skin pack dito sa GTA Zamp. So itong skin na to mga tol ay isa tong Gangster Mod Pack. So solid to mga tol sa mga ganap nyo, sa mga tube war, sa mga gang war, ganyan. So napaka-solid na ito men. So bagay-bagay to sa inyong mga MP. So ayan mga tol, 5 pala tong skin na to. So napaka-dami. So yun mga tol, ipapakita na natin tong mga skin. Imo-montage na natin. Let's go!
Let's go! I can see my future and it's looking bright. Not used to the light, I was born at night. But I'm used to a fight, not a new sight. Left, right, everybody roll the dice. No regrets when I finally leave, I'll finally be the final be. A better me, my destiny is to invest in me. A quest to be the best, yeah, let you free. From a world that's been feeling so wounded. I got dreams and they feel so lucid. I got dreams that they think are stupid. It's alright, sit back cause I do this. I don't take this life for granted, my mind's expanding. It's time for a fight, commanding the war. I want more, yeah, I said I want more. Took a life full of hooks, time to even the score.
One life left, so I gotta make it count. Two bloody ends, work hard just to build it now. 3 more doubts in my head, try to tear me down, but I won't let it show. Falling, scaring me alone through the struggle now. 5 toes dangle off the edge, don't look down.
So yun na nga mga tol, nakita nyo na tong ating 5 gangster skin. So credits pala mga tol sa pinagkuhanan ko nito. So yun mga tol, kung gusto nyo i-download to, nasa description at comment section lang ang ating download link. So yung mga tol, huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, like at share at paki-comment na rin mga tol kung nagustuhan nyo tong ating skin pack. So yun na lang mga tol, hanggang dito na lang ang ating video. Maraming salamat, peace out.